Hello everyone, we have Macbook Air M1 with us today. So let's see what we get in the box. So in the box we have Type C to Type C cable. This is power adapter and some paperwork we have, and two Apple stickers. So let's keep the box aside. This is Macbook Air M1. This laptop comes with all metal design, as you can see. Also, it doesn't have any fan inside it, and its weight is around 1.29 kg. So let's open it up. So this laptop has Apple's M1 chip inside it, and the performance is quite good on this laptop. So you can do 4K video editing as well on this laptop with normal layers and effects. Also, this laptop will be best for college students who will be doing coding, internet surfing, browsing, etc. You will not have any issues with it. I have the 8 GB memory version. You can go with 16 GB of RAM for the more futuristic approach. Also, it has macOS 15.0.1 installed, and it will get at least one more year of software update. So software will not be issue with this laptop. Also, it has a very fast touch ID, as you can see. It unlocks quite fast. Also, its trackpad is also quite large. You will not have any issues using this trackpad. Also, we have two USB Type-C ports which will be used for charging or connecting any accessories, external SSD, etc. And on the right hand side we have headphone jack, so we can connect a wired headphone to this laptop. Also guys, this laptop has 2K display which has peak brightness of around 400 nits, and its battery is quite capable. You will get around 13 hours of battery backup with single charge. Also, it has a 720p webcam, which is decent, we can say. So now talking about price, I got this laptop for around 60,000 on Amazon sale with a card discount. So if you have budget of around 60 to 65,000, I will definitely recommend this laptop. If you want best performance, display, battery backup, also good trackpad and typing experience, good software experience, and if you are looking for laptop for the coding, etc., you can definitely go with this laptop, because you will get an overall package and experience with this laptop. So this was all you need to know about MacBook Air M1. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.